Hi everyone, welcome to Droid channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Samsung not charging. If you charge your mobile phone after the power of the mobile phone is exhausted, and you find that you still cannot turn on the mobile phone after charging, the mobile phone cannot be charged. If you find that the mobile phone cannot be charged and the power is reduced during use. Why Samsung won't charge? Faulty cables, chargers, sockets or adapters. The charging port has dirt or debris. A third-party application interrupts the charging process. A software update is required. Phone hardware-related issues. If you're having issues with your Samsung phone not charging, you're not alone. Maybe many people have the same problem as you. To help users get rid of the annoying Samsung phone not charging issue, in this video, we summarize some possible solutions. Method 1 is to check the charger. The crimping and stretching of the cable can take its toll over months and years, and the cable is likely to tear sooner or later. Check to make sure there is no damage to the cable or plug. If you notice any damage, stop using the charger immediately. Even if there is no obvious physical damage to the cable or plug, try a different cable and plug to eliminate the problem. To make sure your cable/plug is working, try charging another phone to see if it's working. Method 2 is to clean the charging port. One of the most common causes of charging problems is if the charging port is clogged with dirt, dust, or debris. Dirt or lint can build up inside the charging port and prevent the charging cable from properly engaging the charging contacts inside the port. This may prevent your phone from charging properly or not charging at all. Follow the steps below to clean your charging port. Shine a flashlight on the charging port and look inside. If you see dust or grime, especially covering the metal charging contacts, the charging port needs to be cleaned. Try blowing lightly into the charging port to remove dust and debris. After cleaning is complete, try charging your phone again. Method 3 is to check the moisture content of the mobile phone. If your Samsung phone has moisture in the charging port when it's plugged in, it won't charge. This is an added precaution to avoid corrosion. Protecting your Samsung. Most moisture will evaporate on its own within a few hours, but you can also try blowing the port lightly or exposing it to cool, dry air. When you're sure the charging port is dry, try turning the device off and on again. Method 4 is to check your phone screen. Please check if your Samsung phone screen itself is normal. Because a broken screen may give the impression that the phone is out of battery. Check whether your mobile phone can be turned on normally, and whether there is normal startup feedback. For example, startup vibration or startup prompt sound. You can also try calling yourself from another phone to check for feedback from the phone. If your mobile phone has a sound prompt or vibration feedback, if the mobile phone has an indicator light, the indicator light will respond. But the screen is still black. There may be a problem with the screen itself. You may need to replace the screen on your Samsung phone. Method 5 is to force restart your Samsung phone. If there is a slight problem with the connection, your phone may not charge even when it is plugged in. Restarting the phone may resolve phone charging issues by terminating all background services. Please use the Samsung key combination to hard restart the phone. Press and hold the phone's power button and volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates or you see the Samsung phone icon. At this point, you can let go. Please wait patiently for the phone to complete the restart. After the restart is successful, please check whether the phone can be charged normally. Method 6 is to update the software. What's wrong with my Samsung phone's battery life? When your Samsung phone won't fully charge, it might be due to system issues. To fix this, make sure you have the latest version of your phone software. Please open your phone settings, find and click Software Update in the phone settings interface. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available for your device, you will be asked to download and install it. Please install the latest version of the software at this time. After the update is complete, try charging your phone again. Your device will display your software is up to date if no updates are available. Method 7 is to uninstall unrelated apps. One of the recently installed apps may be causing charging issues on your Samsung phone. You should uninstall such apps one by one. The way to check if the charging issue is due to an app is to put the phone into safe mode. Safe mode allows you to use your phone with its original interface without third-party apps. Press and hold the power key until the shutdown screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the shutdown icon until the screen displays the safe mode option. After safe mode appears, please tap safe mode. After you tap, your phone will restart to return to the main screen in safe mode. When your phone is in safe mode, keep charging your phone and check if it is charging properly. Method 8 is to seek professional help. If you've tried all of the above and still can't charge your battery, there may be a problem with your battery. Please take your phone to a Samsung store to have a professional check if it is a battery issue and let them fix your Samsung phone. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.